So I see a hummingbird moth flying around, and I want to see if I find him. Hey everyone, Jose Gregorio here, and today I'm going to review a very small lens which is for the GoPro Hero 4. So for this setup I'm using the GoPro Hero 4, and this is the lens that I'm using. It's the Polar Pro macro lens, the glass version. So I'm gonna get close to the flowers right there, and we'll see what I can get. So I'm filming on linear mode, 1080, auto exposure, and we'll see how good this macro lens is. So the hummingbird moth is really performing for this macro lens here. So you should be able to see that bee there. Oh yeah. I'm focusing about 5 to 4 inches from my subject, and it looks like this macro lens is doing its job. So after shooting small things with this Polar Pro macro lens, my overall rating is 4 stars. And you might be asking why. Why? Because it still needs this standard GoPro housing. That being said though, Polar Pro, great job designing this glass. It shoots macro and looks pretty sharp. So I hope you like this video, and please share, like, thumbs up, subscribe. Until the next, thank you for watching. So I see a bee here, I'm gonna try to get it.